Hey there, in case you didn't know, we also fix consoles, little gaming consoles. So here's a Nintendo DS that the charging port was not working and the video is not working. I'm covering the customer's information right here, but we do fix these. We will only do it if it's cost effective for you to repair them versus buying a new one. So the charging port was broken by the child who damaged it, and then the video stopped working from a drop. So both of these together, we can fix, we do fix. Takes about a week or so be patient, but we definitely can do it for you. We want to make sure it is cost effective before we do the job. What makes this repair cost effective? If it's cheaper to fix it than to buy a new one, it makes sense to repair it. If there's a lot of problems with it and it costs more money for repair than it does for replacement, we will tell you and then recommend a replacement versus a repair. If you have a game console that's damaged and you're not sure if it's cost effective to fix, just stop on by for a free quote and we'll let you know and make sure it's worth your while. Stop by 7 days a week, anytime in the Bridgewater Commons Mall.